Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to manage auto off mode for your headphones JBL TUNE 770. You have to start by open JBL Headphones application. Of course, your headphones should be connected with the app, and if it's connected, the application open for you the headphones menu, but if you are in the main menu, you need to only tap at your headphones here. Then, you need to scroll down, and right here we have auto power off mode. So, you need to enable it, and you can set up to 30 minutes, 1 hour or 2 hours. And after that time, if you don't use your headphones, it will turn off. If you don't need this mode, you need to disable it by tap one time at the slider near to it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!